Hi.
Hi there.
I was hoping to find a hedge trimmer.
Yeah.
Well, can you tell me what you have available? And you see, I've always done the job manually, right? So I'll probably need a bit of advice too.
Of course. Well, as you can see, we've got quite a range to choose from.
Oh, yeah.
So, will you be trimming high or low or long hedges? Will you be doing shaping?
I'll probably be doing a little bit of everything. My hedge runs all around my property. So in certain areas it's getting a little bit high, so I'm worried that my neighbours might start complaining about blocking the light.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you've got quite a job to do. And if your garden backs onto other gardens, you're probably concerned about noise too, right?
Yeah, my neighbour hates it when the silence is broken.
Well, the new Husqvarna 122HT45 or the 122HT60 will definitely help keep your neighbour happy. They're specially developed for people who want low noise. They're ergonomically designed for domestic use with low vibrations and easy-to-use functions.
Okay, well, what's the difference between the two models?
Well, the 122HT60 gives you just a bit more. An adjustable rear handle for increased comfort when cutting vertically. And a longer knife for better reach.
Okay, so it's quite easy to use.
Absolutely. And because they're lightweight, they're easier to handle. Which definitely helps if you've got a lot of cutting to do.
But are they expensive?
Actually, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. They're competitively priced, and with the Husqvarna name comes high quality. That's why many professionals use Husqvarna outdoor garden products.
Okay, so... a little bit of feeling. Put up.
The new Husqvarna 122HD45 and 122HD60 for people who want low noise and great performance without the fuss.
Introducing 20-volt max outdoor equipment from Dewalt. The performance the pro demands without the pull cords, start issues, fumes, noise, and maintenance that come with using gas-powered tools. Fueled by Dewalt's 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, the equipment is built for the construction and maintenance pro, allowing them to expand their 20-volt max system and get more done. The handheld blower delivers up to 400 cubic feet per minute of air volume at 90 miles per hour for job site cleanup. Ergonomically balanced and weighing only 7.1 pounds, the 20-volt max handheld blower is easy to carry and maneuver. The full speed control operates with a variable speed trigger and a speed lock, eliminating the gas spills and fumes that can result when using gas-powered equipment. The Dewalt handheld blower is ideal for the job site, as it can also be used for indoor cleanup at various stages of construction. The string trimmer features a dual-line bump feed head with 13-inch of swath to efficiently maintain your property. Weighing only 8.5 pounds, the 20-volt max string trimmer is lightweight and balanced for maximum maneuverability.
The 22-inch hedge trimmer has a high-output motor and laser-cut blades engineered for clean, fast cuts on branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. The long runtime and lightweight design makes it ideal for shaping hedges.
Not only do these tools allow you to utilize your 20-volt max system, but they also eliminate carrying gas to the job site. Part of the expanding 20-volt max outdoor system, these tools are backed by DeWalt's 3-year limited warranty with 1-year free service and 90-day money-back guarantee. DeWalt 20-volt max outdoor equipment, further expanding the 20-volt max system to empower pros to get more done.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus hedge trimmer can trim and shear with ease, outpacing most gas trimmers with up to an hour of runtime. The 24-inch dual-action blade allows you to work around shrubs and bushes in hard-to-reach areas. Effortlessly switch the battery between tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. Forget about the mess of extension cords. Feel the freedom of working around the yard with untethered power. So easy to use that a quick touch-up can be achieved in minutes. 56 volts of lithium-ion power give you everything you need to maintain your yard on your terms. The Ego 56 volt Power Plus Hedge Trimmer, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
Introducing the new 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless hedge trimmer, part of the 40-volt Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. Our 40-volt Max hedge trimmer offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. The 40-volt Max lithium-ion rechargeable battery delivers high power with a long run time and cuts up to 6,000 square feet of hedge per charge. And the battery features a state of charge indicator. This hedge trimmer offers more cutting force to cut twice as many branches at one time with its power drive transmission. It can even cut through thick overgrowth. The 24-inch dual action blade quickly cuts branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. You'll appreciate its hardened steel dual action blade that allows for less vibration while trimming and staying sharper longer. And its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip at any angle. The 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless hedge trimmer from Black & Decker.
Greenworks Pro is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful 80-volt lithium-ion battery and revolutionary brushless motor technology provide true gas performance. The cordless hedge trimmer has a durable 26-inch dual-action blade with 3/4-inch cut capacity. The innovative 180-degree rotating rear handle provides easy trimming at multiple angles. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power, and it fully recharges in only 30 minutes. It trims at a powerful 3,600 strokes per minute with low vibration, which is suitable for heavy jobs. The trimmer is lighter than comparable gas hedge trimmers. Hassle-free operation. No cord, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.